Now we're multiplying a fraction by a whole number, and what we need to remember with this is that we only multiply the numerator and the denominator stays the same. So for 5/6 times 5, we're multiplying the numerator, this 5, by 5, but the denominator is going to stay the same. So 5 times 5 is 25, the denominator is still 6, so we have 25/6. We can turn that back into a mixed number by dividing. So 25 divided by 6 is 4, remainder 1. So the remainder is our numerator, and then the denominator stays the same. So our answer is 4 and 1/6. Now 3/4 times 7, so we're going to multiply this 3 by 7, and the denominator is going to stay the same. 3 times 7 is 21, the denominator is 4, and we can change that back into a mixed number by dividing. So 21 divided by 4 is 5, remainder 1, the denominator stays the same, so our answer is 5 1/4. Thank you so much for watching, I really hope that was helpful. If you're a teacher or a parent, then please subscribe or go to keystage2maths.com to download resources for this lesson and many more. That's all for now, I'll see you in the next video.